In the harshest deserts on Earth, where temperatures plummet to -40 degrees, lives an animal walking gold. This creature is the two-humped Bactrian camel, a biological marvel capable of surviving the planet's most extreme climates.
Today we step inside the world's largest camel mega factory to see how these creatures power millions.
From the rarest natural fibers to liquid gold milk, this is a journey of turning survival into luxury.
The process begins in the vast steppes of Central Asia, where the harvest of miracle fiber first starts.
Unlike any other animal, the Bactrian camel possesses a dual-layer coat, designed for insulation against the killing cold.
The soft undercoat is one of the finest natural fibers in existence, warmer than wool, softer than silk.
In this massive facility, the harvest follows the natural molting season when camels shed their thick winter coats.
As the camels naturally shed, workers use precision tools to collect the tufts without harming the majestic animals.
Because a single camel only produces 5 to 10 kilograms of fiber per year, every gram is precious. Once the raw fiber reaches the factory, it enters the scouring line to begin its high-tech industrial transformation. Massive industrial washers use biodegradable detergents to remove desert sand, debris, and the animal's thick natural oils. Cleanliness is vital for the next stage, where the real challenge of de-hairing the raw material begins.
Knit-alowns. Specialized machines use centrifugal force and fine combs to separate coarse outer garments.
The coarse hairs are discarded, leaving behind a cloud-like material known globally as premium quality camel down. This material rivals cashmere in both price and quality on the competitive and demanding international fashion market.
The down is spun into fine yarn, ready to be woven into garments that define modern desert luxury. The second pillar of this mega factory is the dairy processing unit, where liquid gold is produced daily. Bactrian camel milk is called liquid gold because it contains 3 times more vitamin C than regular milk.
It is naturally rich in insulin-like proteins, making it a highly sought-after product for the global health community.
Inside the state-of-the-art milking parlors, thousands of camels are milked using automated and highly hygienic systems. These systems ensure the comfort of the animal while maintaining the highest possible standards of sanitary milk collection.
The milk is instantly cooled and rushed through pipes to the spray drying towers for final processing.
In these towers, the milk is instantly converted into high-grade powder to preserve its complex nutritional profile.
This powder is a prized ingredient for global health supplements and premium skincare brands around the world.
1 pound of this specialized camel milk powder can fetch prices as high as $100.
We now enter the leather unit, where the rugged hides of the Bactrian camel are expertly processed. Bactrian camel hides are legendary for their durability and thickness, honed by centuries of harsh desert life. In the tanning department, the skins undergo a vegetable tanning process using natural extracts from various plants.
This eco-friendly method preserves the unique, rugged grain that makes camel leather so distinct and visually appealing. The leather produced here is exceptionally breathable yet incredibly tough, designed to withstand the most demanding conditions. It is the preferred material for high-end travel gear and luxury upholstery intended to last a century.
Before any product leaves the facility, it must pass through the rigorous standards of the assurance lab. Fiber is tested for micron thickness to ensure only the softest materials are used for fashion garments. Simultaneously, the milk powder is screened for purity and nutrient density to meet international food safety laws.
Only the top 1% of products receive the factory's elite certification, signifying their absolute premium quality. From here, the finished goods are packaged and prepared for export to the world's most famous cities.
These products are shipped to fashion capitals like Milan, Paris, and New York for the elite market.
In these cities, they are transformed into high-fashion garments that represent the pinnacle of global industrial achievement.
What was once a vital mode of desert transport has become the backbone of a sophisticated industry. The Bactrian camel is proof that nature's toughest survivors can also be the source of refined luxuries.
Have you ever experienced the warmth of camel wool or the taste of desert milk? Tell us.
If you enjoyed this look inside the world's most unique mega factory, hit the subscribe button now. Stay tuned for more incredible industrial journeys into the heart of the world's most advanced production facilities.
Efficiency is the heartbeat of this facility, ensuring that every resource, including water, is meticulously managed.
Solar panels across the roof provide the immense energy required to keep this desert mega factory running.
Automated arms sort raw fiber with lightning speed, ensuring that only the best material enters the line. High-speed combs flick away guard hairs with surgical precision, leaving the ultra-soft down perfectly untouched and pure.
The natural crimp of camel fiber creates air pockets that trap heat better than any synthetic material. Finished bolts of cloth are stored in climate-controlled rooms to maintain their moisture levels and soft texture. Hygiene is paramount, with robotic cleaners sanitizing the dairy wing every hour to prevent any bacterial growth. Every batch of milk is tested for purity to ensure no contaminants enter the high-grade spray drying. Heat exchangers maintain the perfect temperature for flash drying, turning liquid milk into powder in mere seconds.
The packaging process is as meticulous as the production, catering to the luxury aesthetic of international consumers. Craftsmen apply final touches, such as wax seals, to leather goods that will soon travel the globe.
Precision laser cutters maximize the yield of every hide, minimizing waste while ensuring perfectly uniform leather pieces.
Natural dyes are used to color the fibers, maintaining the factory's commitment to sustainable and eco-friendly production. Logistics experts coordinate the departure of goods, ensuring they reach global markets via the most efficient routes.
From the Gobi Desert to the storefronts of Paris, the reach of this factory is truly international.
The bond between the ancient camel and modern industry is the secret to this facility's incredible success.
Constant monitoring ensures that the fiber remains consistent, protecting the reputation of this multi-million-dollar global industry.
Heavy hydraulic presses smooth the hides, preparing them for the final stages of luxury leather goods manufacturing.
Research and development teams constantly look for new ways to utilize the unique proteins found in milk.
And fashion designers draw inspiration from the camel's natural form, creating silhouettes that are both functional and beautiful.
Pallets of certified goods are loaded into temperature-controlled containers to ensure they arrive in perfect condition abroad.
Every stitch is inspected by hand, ensuring that no flaws escape the factory's rigorous quality control standards.
Steam rises as the fiber is cleaned, a necessary step to reveal the natural luster of camel.
Barcodes allow for full traceability, meaning every bag of powder can be traced back to the animal.
The silence of the desert outside contrasts with the high-tech roar of the machinery working within these walls.
This delicate weaving process produces scarves that are light as air, yet warmer than heavy woolen blankets.
Technicians calibrate lasers to ensure the cutting is accurate to within a fraction of a single millimeter.
Beyond milk powder, the factory also produces high-end skincare products that leverage the milk's unique healing properties.
Maintaining exact pressure is critical for creating the fine, consistent powder that global customers have come to.
The journey from the desert to the city begins with a single truckload of high-value luxury goods. Customers around the world appreciate the unique story behind every piece of camel-based luxury they purchase today.